Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hi and welcome. My name is Jess and I post lots of cleaning motivational videos, organizational videos, and lots of grocery hauls and mummy related content here and there. So if that's what you're interested in, please stick about and hit that red subscribe button because I'd love for you to join my YouTube fam. But let's just get into today's video. So in today's video, we are tackling my entire messy house. I have written a list here of all the things that I'd like to tackle and I'm going to check them off as we go. This actually helped me a lot. I've seen a few people do this and it helped me to keep track. So without further ado, let's just chuck on some music and let's get cleaning. So the first thing that I'm going to do today is a bit, again, out of the normal. I usually start in the kitchen, but today I decided to start in the lounge room and I'm just fluffing up all the cushions, and I decided that I'd change the covers on a lot of my pillows because they were dirty. Yes, I know white is risky when you have a toddler, but it just looks so nice with the grey. I don't love this couch, so I try to decorate it as much as possible with lots of cushions and throw rugs.
Still looking for a sign. When I wake up, oh, I can't help but to wonder, is this even real? Can you see the stars? I just wanna see the stars. With the moon in the dark. I just wanna see the stars.
So now that I have finished in the lounge room, it is time to check off my list, and honestly this is so satisfying and I so recommend that you try it out. It actually helped a lot. I did wipe down the fans, although I forgot to film it, so I think I only filmed one, but now it is on to my toddler's disaster of a room. He is the expert of being a tornado and things just go everywhere. It's crazy, but now it's time for me to pick it all up.
Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you.
After I've picked up all of his toys, I decided to fold his clothes and put them away. After that, I did strip all the blankets off. We are toilet training, so all his sheets were in the wash. And so now it was time to strip the bed and put all the blankets in. Now, as you'll see here in a little bit, this video did take me more than one day. It took me two. and my son ended up sleeping with us this night, so the next day I finished it off and fully made his bed with nice new clean sheets.
Make it last forever. Stop in time. Yeah, I'm surrendering. Hold tight, hold tight. Chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me.
So now that his room is all picked up, cleaned up, and with fresh sheets on the bed, it is time to move on to our next area, which is the kitchen. And it always has to be the most messiest room in the house. As we do have open plan, it drives me a little crazy if the kitchen is dirty. It drives me crazy if the kitchen's dirty anyway. But as you can see, I tried vacuuming up the cat food with just our normal Dyson stick vacuum and gave up, and brought out our other Dyson wall plug vacuum, which is our heavy artillery. And it got the job done perfectly. So after wiping down all the countertops, I moved on and wiped down all of my cupboards because they were looking a little nasty, if you know what I mean. And I was using this Dettol disinfectant wash just because it's good to disinfect everything anyway, but especially in the time that we're in now. And then I moved on to the dishwasher and wiped it all down. Now, I will say that this Method glass cleaner is almost out, but it is really good on stainless steel appliances. So I used that to wipe it down, and I was going to polish all of our stainless steel appliances, but ended up not doing it because I ran out of time. But it still was looking nice and spick and span anyway.
Riding low and flying high, we can reach the morning light. Come on, baby, you should take my hand. I got bottles, I got booze. Roll the dice, you'll never lose. Come on, baby, you should take my hand.
So once I'd finished wiping down beside the oven and the backsplash, it was time to tackle the one thing I really wasn't looking forward to doing, but it was the most satisfying, which is the oven top. And it was looking pretty nasty because the day prior, or a couple days prior, my partner decided to try and cook pancakes and made a giant mess. So it was time to pull all of these little gas covers off and give it a good deep scrub.
I got booze. Roll the dice, you'll never lose. Come on, baby, you should take my hand.
These broken constitutions, these distant illusions. Where does the journey start when we're so far apart? Reality drifts away so slowly. We can change reality. We can change the eyes that see. We can find the time we lost. So much cherish every path we've the word is me. Divided in time, caught in the oblique. It's nothing more than a fading voice. I heard the truth when you made your choice. How'd you let go when you weren't holding on? I fall apart at the break of dawn. I'm a slave to my thoughts. Reality drifts away so slowly. Emotion setting time. See fades away. Read between the lines. You stay. We can change reality. We can change the eyes that see. We can find the time we lost. So much cherish every path we've crossed.
So after finishing up everything in the kitchen, the next area was the dining area. So I class this as sort of living dining space because I don't really know what to do with this corner here. I'm thinking that I'm going to do like a little makeover and I'll probably film that as well, but when that happens, I'll let you know. But it was time to clean the dining area. We have toys everywhere, always, so that's the first thing I did here was pick them up. Then I moved on to taking out the rug and giving it a good wash. In the end, I didn't end up putting it back that day because as I hung it up outside to dry, it ended up raining on it, so it didn't get put back until it was dry.
Nothing left, so hold on tight as the hurricane breaks defense. Stay hidden from the causes that might let go of your hands. Take I'm running for my life, for my life. What's with your delay? You're only killing time, killing time. So take me away, I'm running for my life, for my life. And what's with your delay? You're only killing time, killing time. Take me
Once I had finished wiping down all of the table, it was time to move on, and I decided to clean down all of the chairs because they did look a little nasty. So decided to wipe them all down with my Aldi multi-purpose cleaner and just a cloth. And after wiping them all down, before I wiped down the last one, I did clean the fan, and then I wiped it down. And I did put them all up on the table because I was planning on mopping, but that didn't get done today either. However, the house was nice and vacuumed, so I wasn't too bothered.
and losing the only one, the only one, the only one. Take me away, I'm running for my life, for my life. What's with your delay? You're only killing time, killing time. So take me away, I'm running for my life, for my life. And what's with your delay? You're only killing time, killing time.
Then once I'd finished cleaning the fan and wiped down that last chair, it was time to check off my list and call it a night. So this is everything that I ended up getting done on this day. I hope you guys enjoyed and got some nice cleaning motivation. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!
Nothing left, so hold on tight. There's a hurricane